Wednesdays at the Fort Worth Zoo mean half-price admission, making it one of the most popular times to go. That's exactly why Tarrant County is launching Wednesday pop-up COVID vaccine clinics there, in the midst of what they fear could be another spike in the virus.
We're back after a one-week hiatus on the emerging health issues, and what a drastic change, actually. And not for the good.
At Tuesday's Commissioner's Court, Public Health Director Vinny Taneja shared some sobering trends. In recent weeks, our positivity rate has jumped from about 4% to about 6%. COVID hospitalizations are up from a few weeks ago, too.
In terms of numbers, we had 90 people in the hospital. We're at about 174 in the hospital. So things are picking up.
One of the reasons, he says, is the highly spreadable Delta variant. Another reason are unvaccinated people. State records show 48% of eligible Tarrant County residents are fully vaccinated, but that number drops to just 29% when you include ineligible residents, too. This is what County Judge Glenn Whitley said Tuesday.
You can lead a horse to the trough, but you can't make them drink. I think we've done everything we can to make the vaccines available.
But they're still finding more places to offer it, like the Fort Worth Zoo.
We're targeting families with kids, and multiple reasons for that.
They want to make sure kids have the opportunity to be fully vaccinated before heading back to school next month. Anything they can do to keep this bump in COVID from becoming a wave. In Fort Worth, I'm Lauren Zacalek.